Hi friends, today I want to discuss about rectangle lamina problem. A rectangle lamina of sides 20 mm into 30 mm rests on HP on one of its longer side edges. The lamina is tilted about the edge on which it rests till it appears as a plane in the it is inclined to HP at angle of 45 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. Draw the projection of the lamina. So let us take the XY line. So let's go for the rectangular lamina. So width 20, height as 30, angle I'm going to give as 0. Since the longer is resting on HP, I'm going to take 30 degree in a vertical and 20 degree as the width. So I want to make that as a group. So let us name that. So projecting onto the front view, A, B, C and D. So when you want to project that points into the front view, since you are observing the front, A and B will be visible, whereas C and D will be invisible. So B dash visible in bracket C dash, A dash in bracket D dash. So selecting the first position, front view, and going for rotating. So I'm going to go for move option with a copy. I want to place on the XY line at some particular distance. Go for rotate option, select the first point which should be fixed. Go for the second point. Since it has to be inclined 45 degree to HP, I want to incline at 45 degree. So I'll go for the position angle as 45. It will be rotated. B dash bracket C dash, A dash in bracket D dash, specify the angle as 45 degrees. I'm going to project that downwards. So A is in the first line, B is in the second line, C which is in the second line, and D is in the first line. So I want to join that. A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. So I want to select that as a group and make that as 0.5 mm. Text that A, B, C and D. Now for the third position, the edge on which is rest is inclined 30 degree to VP. So I'm going to select the edge on which is resting. That is AD, which is resting on HP. So I'm going to select that. Go for move option. I want to move that with a copy. So 30 degree to VP. So I'm going to go for inclination. Go for rotate. Select the fixed point, that is D. And select A point that can be moved. And go for angle as minus 30 degrees. So the lamina has been rotated for 30 degree with respect to VP. So angle can be shown. So I want to project these points for the front view. So I want to take the projection from the second position. So A is on the XY line. B, it is in the second line. C, it is in the second line, and D is on the first line. You want to do the naming: A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. So I want to connect the points A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. Select that individually and make the thickness as 0.5. So for text, XY line VP by HP. For trim, and trim of the unwanted lines, and show the small dimension in the first position. So the next problem we'll see in the next video. Thank you.